EU unveils digital green certificate for travelers vaccinated against COVID-19. EU Digital Green Certificate proposed for COVID-19 vaccinations. Digital Green Certificate is expected to be introduced within EU by mid-June. COVID-19 shot will not become mandatory for transnational travel in the EU. The European Union authorities have unveiled the Digital Green Certificate concept, which is designed to serve as proof of vaccination against COVID-19. The Digital Green Certificate is expected to be introduced within EU by mid-June. The European Commission issued the following statement in Brussels. Today, the Commission has adopted a legislative proposal establishing a common framework for a digital green certificate covering vaccination, testing and recovery. This is an EU-level approach to issuing, verifying and accepting certificates to facilitate free movement within the EU, based on a strict respect for non-discrimination and of the fundamental rights of EU citizens. A technical framework will be defined at EU level, to be put in place by mid-June, to ensure security, interoperability, as well as full compliance with personal data protection. It will also allow the possibility to extend to compatible certificates issued in third countries. Commissioner for Justice, Didier Reynders emphasized that the certificates are temporary and will be cancelled when the COVID-19 pandemic is over. According to the European Commission, a COVID-19 shot will not become mandatory for transnational travel in the EU. The presentation of the vaccination certificate is the first step towards actually creating the document. The European Parliament and the Council should fast-track discussions, reach an agreement on the proposal for a digital green certificate, and agree an approach to a safe opening based on a solid scientific framework. The European Commission will continue supporting the ramping up of vaccines production, and pursue technical solutions to increase interoperability of national systems to exchange data. Member states should accelerate vaccination programs, ensure that temporary restrictions are proportionate and non-discriminatory, designate contact points to collaborate on wastewater surveillance and report on efforts made, and launch the technical implementation of the digital green certificates in view of the fast-tracked adoption of the proposal, the press release said. In June 2021, upon request by the European Council, the European Commission will publish a paper on the lessons learned from the pandemic and the way towards a more resilient future, the Commission concluded.